That's right, Uber and made easy.
Join us as we find the easy way to navigate booking an Uber ride to the airport. Getting to and from the airport is often a frustrating part of traveling. We've been there, stressing over flights, delays, worrying about how to get to our destination on time, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we will focus on getting to the airport, primarily. When it comes to arranging rides to the airport, we often choose Uber when available. The few hurdles of cost, unpredictability, and reliability, will our ride show up on time, wait times, lack of other options, they all matter, but finding the one that's best for you, that matters most. The best option is the one that helps you avoid long wait times, high costs, and unpredictable reliability. That's why we're talking about Uber rideshares in the first place, a convenient, personal, and affordable way to get to the airport. But at times, even Uber can be unpredictable. Prices surge at the worst times. That's why we pre-book our Uber rides to the airport. That's right, pre-book. This feature has saved our hides a few times. It doesn't sound like a big deal, but it works. So you can keep the taxis and shuttles for a last resort. Public transportation has its place too, but it's an acquired skill to navigate the routes, fares, and timings. The solutions do just make trips to the airport easier, cheaper, and less stressful. Pre-book your Uber ride. That way, you have a guarantee that someone will pick you up, you'll avoid long wait times, and save money too. A little pre-planning research makes rides to the airport a breeze. You will need to download the Uber app. We've used it on several continents. It's easy to set up, multiple payment options available, even PayPal and cash. Then just route your trip, set the pickup point and destination, your preferred pickup time, it's in the future, and confirm the ride. Cancellations are relatively easy too, less stress, more success. It's a vacation after all, isn't it? Let someone else worry. There you have it, a few simple tips and tricks to make your airport Uber ride experience easier, cheaper, and less stressful. Remember, planning ahead is key. Don't leave your airport ride to chance. Take control and make it a smooth and stress-free experience. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below with your own airport ride stories, even travel fails, but we like successes. Give a like and subscribe if you found some value here, much appreciated. And if you'd like to see more Our Pleasant Journeys travel videos, check out the links below. And as always, pleasant journeys.
What are you doing, Dee?
Oh, just thinking.